So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sublimate on a mug using a mug press. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and hitting the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And let's get into this. Okay, so we're going to start the prepping process. All sublimation mugs come like this in plastic to protect them from lint. So you're going to need your mug, you're going to need your design, and you're going to need heat tape. I always print my design, especially for mugs. I print them double, so I'm not wasting paper, and later on I'll probably end up using the same design for something, and I'll just have it there to begin with. So I'm going to take my paper trimmer, and on my paper I don't know if the camera can pick up on this, but I have dotted lines going horizontal and vertical. The horizontal ones end right here at the vertical line. That way they don't accidentally get sublimated onto my mug. So I'm first gonna cut it horizontally. And these lines are kinda, when I used to be able to print on my Epson straight from Silhouette. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure my paper is straight. So then I'm gonna cut, there's another horizontal line over here. Then I'm gonna cut my vertical line. And DebbieDoesDesigns.com has good template. I use her template, but now because I have a Sawgrass, I saved it as a PNG. Her template is for Silhouette, which you can use for free just to print if you have an Epson. So I saved her template. I saved it as a PNG, and I use it in Affinity Designer now. So now my design is all cut off, and I'll save one of these for later. So because I'm using a mug press and this design is kind of like a full bleed type design, the edges will be faded, which is absolutely fine with me. So you want to make sure you clean off all the lint, because again, lint turns blue. So you want to make sure you clean off all the lint. And honestly, I just wipe it with my hand. You can use rubbing alcohol too if you want, with the lint-free cloth to clean that. Okay, you're going to take your design, you're going to bring it around, and then you're going to look at it, so making sure that it's even on both sides. Hold it down, and then you're going to start taping. So I'm going to take my heat tape. I'm going to tape one side on the edge, right there. And then I'm going to tape the other side, making sure that the top portion is also even all the way around. And then once you got it even, you're going to take heat tape and you're going to tape the other side as well. Honestly, you only need 2 pieces of tape. You don't need more than that to hold it. Okay. And this mug is from Coastal Business. And then I'm going to take cut down some butcher paper, 2 sides. And I always save my scraps for later. So now I'm putting that to the side, and we're going to turn on our heat press. So this is my heat press. It's from Pro's World. It's the Trans Pro Mug heat press. It's for 11 ounce and 15 ounce. So I'm gonna turn it on. I usually set my mug press to 280, and I wait for it to get to about 285. So it's actually 380, not 280. My mistake. For 220 seconds. Just wanted to come on here and say that because totally blinked and said 280 instead of 380. Okay. I set it to 280 and I wait for it to get to 285. It heats up pretty fast, and then my time is going to be 220 seconds. And the temperature is always going to fluctuate. Okay, so you're going to take it, you're going to, let me do it this way. You're going to slide it in. Make sure the adjust pressure is right. So you have some pressure, but not too much. Make sure it's in the center. And now you're going to press the button, and it's going to count down for you. So this is how it turned out. I said those edges are going to be faded because the mug press cannot reach all the way over here. So normally I would take my heat gun, but my daughter is sleeping and I'm not trying to wake her up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.